husband's work pants. In today's video, I'm going to show you a mixture you can make that takes stains, grease, oil, and even gasoline stains right out of their jeans. Let's get started. If you're looking for an easy stain remover that will even take grease stains out, look at this after, and then I'll show you the before. Right here's the second pair. See all that grease from working on a truck? We're going to scrub that with our stain remover and then wash these with. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing laundry. I'm going to share with y'all this easy recipe that you can get grease stains out of your husband's clothes. It's easy and simple, whether they've got grease, oil, or even just gasoline stains. This mixture right here, using Blue Dawn and some hand cleaner mixed together, gets those stains out of clothes easy and simple. Let me show you how. And if your husband's like mine and he has a lot of stains on his pants that are hard to come out with your washing powders, say like if they work in a shop or either outside a lot working on lawnmowers and they get these grass stains or grease stains all over their clothes, I'm going to show you a way to get these grease stains. Okay y'all, so this is what we're going to be using on these pants that my husband has grease all over from working like on the lawnmower or his truck. He has a couple pair. I'm going to show y'all how you can take this hand cleaner that they use for like when they're working out in the shop or on lawnmowers or trucks. We're going to mix a little Dawn and this together, and I'm going to show y'all what it'll do to these stains. Okay, the first thing we're going to add is around 2 tablespoons of our Blue Dawn, because I have quite a few pair of pants I've got to scrub today. Now you can make this and put it in like a little baby food jar or any kind of little container if you have a bigger amount and you want to store it. But that is around probably, that's a good 2 tablespoons of Blue Dawn. And now we're going to take this orange hand cleaner that they use to get the grease or off their hands, and we're going to mix in with our Blue Dawn. Now if any of y'all ever tried this, like maybe if you're helping your husband, your hands get real dirty, it has like a sandy grit in it. Okay, so we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of that to our 2 tablespoons of Blue Dawn. And now we're just going to take an old toothbrush and just mix that all together till you get it incorporated and mixed well. Okay, and now we're just going to take this and we're going to scrub each one of these bad spots. So if y'all have never used this hand cleaner for stain removers, you ought to give it a try. It works real well. Now we're going to wash these, and we're going to use our homemade washing powders. I'll link it down below. But sometimes when they're this bad, you just need a little stain remover for certain spots. And see right here around the pocket, there's a bad spot right there. So I'm gonna scrub these and let y'all see the bad spots. And then we're gonna wash them, and after I dry them, I'll show you how it looks. Over here are some spots. Now you could even use that hand cleaner by itself, but I like using the Blue Dawn because it does thin it out just a little to make it easier to apply to your cloth. But you can see it has that sandy grit in it. I guess that's what gets their hands clean. But that does help you with the blue jeans and the pants too. It gives you something to scrub with to get those greasy spots out. So if y'all's husband have any of this grease cleaner, and there's a lot of different brands, and you've got some pants that he's got all stained, y'all need to give this hand cleaner a try, okay? So now we've got all the spots scrubbed. We're gonna go ahead now and give them a wash. Right here's the second pair. See all that grease from working on a truck? We're gonna scrub that with our stain remover and then wash these with them. Okay, we're washing the load of pants. We're using our homemade washing powders, so let's see how it works. Okay, y'all, here's our jeans when we got them out of the dryer. They both came out good and clean. So if y'all are looking for a stain remover that even gets out grease, try this one. It works great and budget friendly. Sometimes it's hard to get these stains out of your husband's work pants. In today's video, I'm going to show you a mixture you can make that takes stains, grease, oil, and even gasoline stains right out of their jeans. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget our thumbs up if you like our laundry hack.